I'm here at 191 prime, and after the restore had completed, there was a few issues. It had reverted back to a previous time when the router was something other than what it is now. So the issue here is that it has no connection to the wireless. Now in the bottom right hand corner here, you'll notice the status will have a little exclamation mark for the wireless. We click on that and we click status. And here you can see it's trying to connect to RSI terms, and there's no signal straight there whatsoever. So we hit close, go back down here to wireless status, and under find wireless local area connections, wait for the application to load. You'll see there's several Wi-Fi's here, so it could be connecting to the wrong one, so on and so forth. There could be several issues here, so we need to figure out which one's the correct one. In this case it's RSI net. We click on that, we click connect. Alright, we also need to go back and probably reconfigure the IP address. Let's just double check that. We click the little tabs down here at the bottom. We can go over here to IP config, except for DHCP, which is wrong. It needs to be a static IP address. Alright, for the static IP address, this terminal right here happens to be terminal number 8. So IP address is going to follow 192.162.0. terminal ID, which is number 8. The subnet mask should equal 255.255.255.0. Once we put the correct information in there, there's an enter button right here. You could hit the OK up there, but I'm going to hit enter right here. And so now you can see out here at the top there's no X next to the arrow, so that means it can send and receive data. There's no IP conflicts, so on and so forth. So we hit OK. Now that's completed. Now the last step is to boot POSITOUCH. To boot POSITOUCH, you go to the Windows Startup key right here, and it says POSITOUCH for Windows, POSITOUCH for CE. We click on that, and there you can see where it says the IP address is active to the server, so it's going to automatically load POSITOUCH. After this, it may take a second or two. If it says not active, the network is not, it's either on the wrong network or the IP address is wrong. Now the other thing is you'll get X up here too. There's an IP conflict. Sometimes restoring from these images can result in an IP conflict if the image is not customized to the specific terminal number. So now at the handheld unit, the end user should be able to do everything they need to do. The touch works, terminal's running, and that should be it as far as the setup of a handheld terminal here. Thank you and have a good day.